check out Marin and Ellie.
Hi, Rachel. I'm Ellie.
And I'm Marin.
And we're from Bethesda, Maryland. Here are some of our favorite tips on how you can organize just like us.
Put things into groups. Categories of things that are the same so you know what you have and how much.
Using labels. Labels are so fun. You can make your own and decorate them however you want. Or you can use a label maker. We also labeled all of our drawers so we didn't get mixed up between both of our stuff. We also organized our drawers. We categorized them and we also label them. Tank tops and short sleeve shirts.
We fold our clothes with the design facing up so we know which shirt is which. We love making lists for trips. You don't forget anything and you don't overpack. 3.
You should always have a bin or basket in your closet so you can put things that you either get too small or you don't use. Then, when spring cleaning comes, you could donate it to either a shelter or some of your younger cousins or something. Bye!